Welcome back, Fluent English Power community. If you're just joining us, you've missed part 1, where Luna and I covered the absolute essentials of ordering food at a restaurant in English. From getting a table to handling the bill, we've laid the groundwork.
That's right, Mason. And if you haven't watched part 1 yet, we highly recommend you go back and check it out first, then come back here. Because in part 2, we're going to build on that foundation and dive into some more advanced scenarios, really common phrases, and some fun practical role-playing. We want you to feel super confident.
Exactly. We're talking about those slightly trickier situations like when you want to send something back, or you're trying to share, or even just chatting with your server a bit more.
So let's jump right back in. In part 1, we touched on having a problem with your food. What if, Mason, the food is just not what you expected? It's not necessarily wrong, but maybe you don't like it. For example, you ordered a dish and it's too salty for your taste, but it's supposed to be salty.
Ah, good point, Luna. This is where it gets a bit nuanced. You can't just say this is wrong because it isn't, technically. So how do we politely express that it's not to our liking?
You can say something like, "Excuse me, I'm finding this a bit too salty for my taste," or "I think I prefer something a little different." Then you can ask, "Would it be possible to exchange it for something else?" Or, "Do you have any recommendations that are less salty?"
That's a great way to put it. A bit too salty for my taste. It's less confrontational than saying this is bad, and it gives them an option to help you. Sometimes they might offer to remake it or offer something else.
Yeah, and be prepared that if it's not an actual mistake on their part, they might not be able to offer a full refund or a free replacement. But it never hurts to politely ask. Communication is key.
Right. Now, what about when you're ordering drinks again? Sometimes you might want to try something new, or you're celebrating.
Oh, definitely. Beyond water or soft drinks, you might want to ask about alcoholic beverages. You could say, "What kind of beers do you have on tap?" Or, "Do you have a wine list?" Or, "Could I see the cocktail menu, please?"
And if you're feeling adventurous, what's your house special cocktail? Or do you have any local craft beers? Here in Delhi, a lot of cafes and pubs have some really interesting local brews now. It's a great way to try something unique.
Absolutely. Asking about local options, whether it's beer, coffee, or even specific dishes, is a great way to engage and show interest. Okay, let's move on to the actual eating experience. What if you need something during your meal?
Like you finished your drink and want another one, or you need more napkins, or maybe you spilled something. Laughs nervously like he's done it before.
Happens to the best of us, Mason. For another drink, you can say, "Excuse me, could I get another drink name, please?" Or, "I'll have another glass of water, please." If you're pointing to an empty glass, you can just say, "Another one of these, please."
Simple and effective. And for other items like extra napkins or cutlery, "Excuse me, could we get some extra napkins?" Or, "I dropped my fork. Could I get another one, please?"
Exactly. What about when you're sharing food? This is very common, especially in India, right? We love to share.
Oh, absolutely. We always order a few different things and share. So you'd say, "We'd like to share this dish name, please." And then, "Could we get some extra plates?" Or, "2 extra plates, please." You want to make sure everyone has a clean plate to eat from.
Yes, that's really important. Or if you've ordered a pizza, you might ask, "Could we get some chili flakes and oregano, please?" Especially if it's not already on the table. Small things that make a big difference.
And sometimes you might want to take your leftover food home. This is super common in many places.
Yes, definitely. You can ask, "Excuse me, could I get a doggy bag for this?" Or, "Could I get this to go, please?" Doggy bag is a common, slightly informal term, even if it's for you, not actually for a dog. To go is also very standard.
Or, "Could you pack this up for me?" That's another way to say it. They'll usually bring a container and pack it for you, or sometimes they'll just bring the container for you to pack yourself.
Good to know those options. Okay, let's talk about some common restaurant idioms or phrases that you might hear or want to use. These will really make you sound more natural.
Oh, I love idioms. They add so much flavor to your English. Pun intended, of course.
Very good, Mason. Okay, so imagine you're really hungry. You could say, I'm starving. It means extremely hungry. Or I could eat a horse. A bit exaggerated, but it means you're super, super hungry.
Yeah, don't actually try to order a horse. But if you're really starving, you can say, I'm starving. What are we ordering first?
Or if a dish is really good, you might say, this is mouth-watering, meaning it looks and smells so delicious, it makes your mouth water. Or this is to die for, meaning it's incredibly delicious.
Yes. Or if you're like really satisfied after a meal, you can say, I'm stuffed or I'm full to the brim. It means you've eaten so much you can't eat another bite.
That's definitely how I feel after a big Indian thali. And what if you're paying for someone else's meal? You could say, it's on me tonight, Luna, a great phrase for treating a friend. And if you're just enjoying the atmosphere and not rushing, you can say, let's just linger over coffee, meaning stay for a while, relax, and enjoy the coffee.
These idioms are fantastic because they're used all the time in casual conversation. Learning them really helps you sound more natural.
Absolutely. Now, let's do some quick role-playing scenarios. This is where we can put everything we've learned into practice. Our viewers can pretend to be the server or the customer, depending on who we're playing.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Scenario 1. You've just walked into a busy restaurant. You, Mason, are the customer, and I, Luna, am the host.
Okay, I'm ready.
Friendly, busy tone. Good evening. Welcome to the Saffron Spice. How many in your party tonight?
Good evening. Just 2 of us, please.
Okay, just 2. Do you have a reservation with us?
No, we don't. We just, walked in. Is there a table available?
Let me check for you. Pretends to look at a screen. It looks like we have a 15-minute wait. Is that okay for you?
Oh, 15 minutes is fine. We can wait. Thank you.
Great. You can wait at the bar, or there are a few seats near the entrance. I'll call you when your table is ready.
Perfect. Thanks so much.
To comment. See? Simple, polite, and effective. Now, scenario 2. You, Luna, are the customer, and I am the server. You're ready to order.
Okay, I've looked at the menu and I'm starving. Approaching table. Are you ready to order or do you need a few more minutes?
Yes, we're ready, thank you. I'll have the chicken tikka masala, please, and my friend here would like the paneer butter masala.
Excellent choices. And how would you like your chicken tikka prepared? Mild, medium, or spicy?
Oh, good question. Could I get it medium spicy, please?
Medium spicy, got it. And for drinks?
Could I get a sparkling water, please, and a fresh lime soda for my friend?
Perfect. So 1 medium chicken tikka masala, 1 paneer butter masala, a sparkling water, and a fresh lime soda. Anything else?
No, that's everything for now, thank you.
All right, your food will be out shortly.
To comment. See how Luna used I'll have, my friend would like, and was ready to answer follow-up questions? That's confident ordering.
Absolutely. Okay, scenario 3. Mason, you're the customer, and you have a specific dietary request. I'm the server.
All right, this is a common one for me.
Approaching table. Hello again. Are we ready for your order?
Yes, we are. But first, excuse me, I just wanted to mention that I'm completely gluten-free. Are there many options for me on the menu?
Oh, certainly. We have quite a few gluten-free dishes. Let me just grab our separate allergen menu for you. That might make it easier. Most of our grilled items and many of our curries can be made gluten-free.
That would be fantastic, thank you. So, for example, could the dal makhani be made gluten-free, or does it typically contain gluten?
Let me just quickly check. Pretends to consult something. Yes, our dal makhani is naturally gluten-free. You're good to go with that. Would you like to try it?
Wonderful. Then I'll have the dal makhani, please. And for my friend, she'll have the chicken korma.
Excellent. 1 gluten-free dal makhani and 1 chicken korma. Anything else?
That's it for us, thank you.
To comment. See how Mason was proactive and clear about his dietary need? That's the best way to ensure you get a meal that works for you. Don't be shy about this, ever.
Super important. Okay, last scenario. Luna, you're the customer, and there's a small issue with your food. I'm the server.
Oh, here goes nothing. Bringing food to the table. Here's the chicken tikka masala, medium spicy, just as you ordered. Enjoy. looks at the dish, then politely flags Mason. Excuse me, Mason. Yes, ma'am? Is everything all right?
Well, actually, I asked for medium spicy, but this seems quite mild. I'm finding it a bit too bland for my taste.
Oh, I apologize for that. Let me just take that back to the kitchen. We can certainly add a bit more spice for you. Would you like us to do that, or would you prefer something else?
No, thank you. That would be great if you could just make it a bit spicier, please. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. I'll be right back with that for you. To comment. See, Luna was polite but firm. She explained the problem clearly, and the server was happy to fix it. It really is about clear communication.
Absolutely. These role plays, I hope, give you a practical feel for how these conversations flow in real life. The more you practice, the more it becomes natural.
That's the key takeaway, isn't it? Practice makes permanent, not just perfect. The more you use these phrases, the more they become second nature.
And don't
Forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new lesson from us. We're here every week helping you on your journey to English fluency.
keep practicing, keep speaking. And remember, with every word, every phrase, every restaurant order, you're building your fluent English power.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.